Former Mesa County Clerk and Recorder Tina Peters was found guilty of 7 of the 10 counts brought against her by the people of the state of Colorado. But how did we get here?
Opening arguments began July 31st. Tina Peters and her legal defense team on one side, and District Attorney Dan Rubinstein with the prosecution on the other.
One of the things that the judge had ruled on early on in the case is that this case was not about election integrity. It was not about the reliability of the Dominion voting systems. This was about whether or not Ms. Peters and her co-conspirators had lied to government officials in order to get people into the room so that the trusted build or the software upgrade could happen.
Throughout the trial, several key witnesses testified to their knowledge of one question. Did Tina Peters or her associates knowingly tamper with election equipment?
Among those testifying were Mesa County IT experts, chief investigators for the DA's office, Dominion voting staff, Secretary of State employees, and the deputy county clerk at the time, who recalled what Peters said the night she realized the Secretary of State was investigating her office.
Those were her words. And I said, "What do you mean?" And she said, "It's on the internet. It was not supposed to be. And it's out there."
While the defense tried to focus on the act of filming the trusted build itself not being illegal, the prosecution continued to object on the basis of relevancy. A recent post on X by Ms. Peters states that she will, quote, continue to fight until the truth is revealed that was not allowed to be brought during this trial, end quote.
My counsel has advised me of the court's ruling and the DA's position regarding the scope of examination. I've reviewed the case, and the purpose of my testimony would be to offer evidence. The court has excluded, and therefore I decline.
After 9 days of deliberation, arguments, witnesses, objections, and more, Tina Peters was convicted of 4 felonies, 3 counts of attempting to influence a public servant, and 1 count of conspiracy to commit criminal impersonation. She was also convicted of first-degree official misconduct, violation of duty, and failure to comply with an order from the Secretary of State, which are all misdemeanors.
We attempted to reach out to Ms. Peters and her team regarding the conviction, but have received no word. Reporting in Grand Junction at the Mesa County Justice Center, Dalen, Brazelton, KREX News.